By the end of the lesson, I should be able to classify types of equations and to check equations using substitution. An open sentence is an equation with one or more variable. There are 3 examples, 2 of which are not open sentences and 1 is an open sentence. So the first one is a true statement. It's a true equation, but it's not an open sentence. It's not an open sentence because there isn't a variable. It is true because 6 plus 12 does equal 18. So when I simplify the 6 plus 12 to get 18, both sides are equivalent. The next one, 6 equals 4 plus 3 is a false statement because when I simplify 4 plus 3, I get 7, and 6 does not equal 7. So this is a false equation, and it's also not an open sentence because there is no variable. The last one, however, is an open sentence because there are variables. We don't know if it's true or false. That's what makes it an open sentence. When I cannot definitely tell you that it's true or false, it is an open sentence. All right, an equation is a mathematical sentence with an equal sign. So 2 examples are 2x equals 10 and 5 plus 4 equals 9. One is a variable equation and one is a true statement. So the 2x equals 10 is an open sentence and the 5 plus 4 equals 9 is a true sentence. An expression is a mathematical sentence without an equal sign. So 2x and 5 plus 4. The last vocabulary word, sorry, I did that again. The last vocabulary word is solutions of an equation, is a value for a variable that makes an equation true. So if x equaled 7, then that would make the equation true if my equation was 2x equals 14. So x equals 7 would make that equation true. So we're going to state whether each equation is true, false, or an open sentence, and we're also going to describe why. So the first one is 5 plus 9 equals 14. This statement is going to be true, and we know that it's true because 14 equals 14. The second equation is 7 plus a equals 13. We know that this is an open sentence because of the variable a. So there's at least one variable, so that means that it is an open sentence. Then we have 15 equals 4 times 5. And this is false because 15 does not equal 20 because 4 times 5 is actually 20. We're going to write an equation for the sentence. State whether the equation is true, false, or an open sentence, and explain. So the first one that we're going to write is 25 equals a number v plus 5. So 25 equals a number v plus 15. Sorry, I said 25. So is this an open statement? Is this a true or a false statement? And it's going to be a true or an open sentence. And we're going to say that because there is a variable b. So is the given number a solution of the equation? And we're going to have to show all of our work on these. So the first one is 24 equals c plus 29. And the number that they're giving us is 2. We want to see if negative 2 is a solution. So I'm going to substitute negative 2 in the place for C, and I'm going to simplify the right-hand side. So negative 2 plus 29 is going to give me 27. And this is a false statement because 24 does not equal 27. So the second example, we're going to see if 4 makes this statement true. So I have 3 plus 2 times 4 equaling 7. I'm going to follow order of operations. 3 plus 8 equals 7, and 8 plus 3 is 11, and 11 does not equal 7. So this is false. It does not, or you can write no. Okay? It's not a solution. Okay, 20 minus C equals 12. We're going to see if 8 makes this statement true. So 20 minus 8 equals 12, and 20 minus 8 does equal 12. So 8 is a solution, or it does make it true. Last one, 2m equals m plus 6, and 4 is the number that needs to make this statement true. So if I simplify the left, I have 8, and if I simplify the right, I have 10, and 8 does not equal 10. So this is also false. 4 does not make that statement true. Write an equation. Is the given value a solution? So I'm going to read the word problem. A veterinarian weighs 140 pounds. When she steps on a scale while holding a dog, the scale shows 192 pounds. Let D represent the weight of the dog. Does the dog weigh 52 pounds? So the first thing I know is that the veterinarian weighs 140 pounds. So I'm going to represent that with a positive integer because she weighs a positive 140 pounds. I don't know how much the dog weighs, but they do tell me that they want D to represent the dog. Okay. And total, the scale shows a total of 192 when she's holding the dog. It also wants to know if 52 is going to make the statement true. So my expression and then the number that I want to make the statement true, I'm going to substitute it in. So I have 140 plus 52 equals 192. And does 140 plus 52 add up to be 192? And it does. So the weight of the dog, yes, the dog weighs 52 pounds. We're going to determine whether each statement is true or false, and we're going to explain. So the first statement is an equation can be false. And this is a true statement. And we need one example. So if we have an example of 7 plus 3 equals 5, right? 7 plus 3 equals 10. So 10 does not equal 5. So yes, an equation can be false. And the second one is an open sentence must contain a variable. And this is true. And if we look at our definition, right, so this is based on the definition of an open sentence. In the definition, it says that the sentence must contain at least one or more variables. State whether each equation is true, false,